Hello, good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Erlinda Pancho. I am 48 years old, married, and I have 4 children. I have work experience abroad as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for more than 4 years, and I serve 7 members of the family. 2 adults, 5 children, age 3, 5, 8, 11, and 14 years old. I assist them such as bathing, brushing their teeth, and preparing their meals. I also do a household chores such as cleaning, cooking, laundry, and ironing the clothes. I also work in Hong Kong for 3 years and 8 months as a nanny and a housemaid. I serve 5 members of the family, 2 adults, 1 elderly, and I took care of 3 years old girl and newborn baby boy with responsibilities that include bathing them, preparing meals, snacks, lunchbox for school, and I also feed them and send and pick up to school. Assisted in homework, aside of childcare, I also do household chores such as cleaning, laundry, ironing, and tidy up things and cooking. Madam and Sir, I am patient, trustworthy, responsible, happy person, and hardworking. I hope you can give me a chance to work and serve your family. Thank you.